Guys, there are a few things we need to check out today. Is this a Ferrari Roma? Why is there a parking brake lever on the roof? And why is the rear bumper grey? But most importantly, how much masking tape did they use? I mean, this has to be a world record. Okay, so I just got to see this Ferrari Roma prototype, and it's kinda weird. Take a look. To me it sounds like the stock twin-turbo V8 engine, so we know it's not the V12 Superfast replacement. But I honestly don't have a clue about the weird tool on the roof. And we can also spot a big monitor inside, to help the driver tweak some settings and such. A few hours later, the same exact car got out once again, but hey, this time without the thing on the roof. We can see once again the grey rear bumper, the excessive amount of masking tape, and the monitor close to the driver. What an interesting prototype for sure. What do you think will it be? Tell me in the comments down below.